Hey everybody, greetings everybody. Thank you guys for coming back to Sunbonkreations. So tonight I did a video before this video where I have a haul from Amazon and Hobby Lobby, and that will explain these expandable bracelets. But go back and watch that video and then come back to this video. I would greatly appreciate it, but like and share and subscribe. And if you know somebody who might like my content, please share the video with them. And come on in, you're welcome. And if you're new scrolling through YouTube land and you land on this video and you say, let me check and see what she about. Thank you for coming in for the view. But while you're in, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. And I've been gone for a few days. 5 days. I didn't realize I hadn't put a video out. But I've been behind the scene working on some things. I got, some things going on. So I'm trying to, work through it. Keep the faith. Okay? So let me share. This is 12 bangles. And they're called expandable. And I got them there. I got them out of a 70 piece, okay? And they are 2.6 inches round. And this expands up to about 9.5 inches. And they came in silver and gold. But let me show you how I did it. I put at least 4 charms on here. Now these charms I've had for a while. And they were, because I don't use a lot of charms for some reason. But I do like charms, but I really don't use them like that. It's like I could take them or leave them. But on each one of these are ZODIAC bangle, expandable bangle bracelets. And this is the main focus with 3 charms surrounding it. Like, I don't know what is that? Like I said, the only zodiac I pretty much know is my zodiac, which is the Lion Leo. Anybody else, I really don't keep up with it. But each one of these got the 12 zodiac signs, okay? And I have like keys, pineapples, flowers, keys, whatever that I got, I use to put, on here. Keys, again, leaves, a leaf, or owl. Whatever I could get that I thought that would fit real nice on here. And another leaf. And that zodiacal sign, which I don't know what that one is. Keys and butterflies. So just about, I don't know if men wear these or not. But anyway. If they want to buy it, you're welcome to buy it. Isn't they gorgeous though? Because they came in the silver and they also came in the gold. But me, in my mind, I wanted to just fill this whole bottom up with charms. I've never seen one where it was just loaded down with charms. But whoever get it can, add charms on there. As many as they would like. Or if somebody wanted and they want me to add more charms, more charms added, the higher, the price goes up on these. Okay, and I got hearts on this one. Little cute little butterfly. Just wanted to show you just a little bit of the charms that I added. So whatever charm I grab, I put on there. And sometimes I use 2 jump rings. If it's a little short charm to make it a little bit longer, I use that too. But guys, thank you for coming and watching this here video. And this is also in my haul from Amazon and Hobby Lobby. This little earring holder is gorgeous, guys. But check that out. And actually, I don't know if I want to keep it gold or add some color in there. I thought about doing like, I think I will. Like Leo. I think that's Virgo. Leo colors. You know they got colors for these zodiac signs. Like Leo color, I think is green. Leo is a fire sign. So when you think of that color, you would think it would be like a red, orange, or yellow. But I would have to Google it. And whatever color it is, I think I'm going to take this wire right here, this gauge wire, and drop that color off in here with a couple of beads, maybe one bead or two beads. I haven't decided yet. I got to see what it looks like to represent that zodiac sign. It's astrology sign, my bad. A lot of people say astrology. That's why I told you I don't know much about these zodiacs, astrology, just a little bit about mine. But I know a lot of people who study that stuff, you know, study it relentlessly. But anyway. But there you go, guys. Thank you for coming to this video. And please like and share. And you guys have a good night. And I will catch you in the next one. But if you have any questions about where I purchased this from, just hit me up in the comments. And I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Any questions about any video or anything, you know, any video that I might put out that I could help you with, okay? Thank you, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.